Right here in front of me is the newly released microphone by Tonor, and I genuinely believe it's one of the best budget microphones around. It's actually about $35. Let's open it up and see what's inside. By the way, what you're hearing right now is my voice completely raw and unedited, so you can hear what it sounds like straight out of the box. Tonor was kind enough to send this to me for free, but I'm keeping my review completely unbiased. For $35, hear for yourself. Here's the USB cable, looks like a nice length, and it comes with an adapter for USB-C, which is convenient. This is the desk clamp for the boom arm. It feels pretty sturdy. The foam cover, and here's the actual boom arm. It's low profile, which is great because my current boom arm is kind of big and bulky. I think I'll enjoy using this one a lot more. And finally, here's the microphone itself. I asked for the white version because my setup is mostly white and I love the sleek look. Especially with the RGB ring around the base, it lights up when you plug it in, which is a nice touch. The microphone has a headphone jack for real-time monitoring too, which is so useful. You can hear yourself while you're recording. Setting it up is easy. If you want the boom arm, it's closer to $45, but otherwise it comes with this little stand. They sent me this one with the arm. And setting it up is super simple. This is the Tonor TD310 Plus all set up. My favorite feature is probably how the light turns red once you mute it. And you can also adjust the volume with these buttons right here. So this is what it sounds like with the fan on. Obviously it picks it up, but it still sounds pretty good. And excuse my fan, I need to clean it. But this microphone does a good job at not picking up background sounds. So this is what I sound like with the foam cover on. And this is what I sound like with the foam cover off. As you can tell, it picks up more. And even when I breathe really softly, you can still hear it. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. Another super convenient thing about this microphone is that you can use it with your phone. For just $35, I think it's an amazing deal. If you're looking for a budget-friendly microphone that doesn't compromise on quality, I definitely recommend this one. If you want to pick one up for yourself, links are in the description down below. I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be, so I'm going to end it right here. Thank you, Tonor, for sending me this video, and I'll see you guys next time.